Good morning, students. Students, let's start our chapter number 1 of bio with Think Critically. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? We add fertilizer and manures into the soil for better growth of the plant. How do these minerals enter into the plants? Identify the process involved. This is the question in students. So let's write the answer of this question. Okay. So I am dictating. Please write. These minerals enter into the plants. Enter into the plants by root hairs through 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 active transport active transport. Okay, students. Now come to your diagram based questions. The apparatus shown in given figure is the setup of an experiment. After some time, the level of the liquid in the vertical section increases. What process does the experiment demonstrate? This is the setup. Why did the level of the liquid in the vertical tube rises? Name the liquids 1 and 2 shown in the figure. So student, write your answer number 1. This one, A. From the question you will write the experiment demonstrate the process of osmosis. Osmosis. Okay. Then come to next second question. Why did the level of liquid in the vertical tube rise? From here you will write the level of liquid in the vertical tube rises because the molecules of water move towards sugar solution through goat's bladder. GOAT goat's bladder, BLADDER bladder. It is given in your students in your this diagram also. After that you have to write in bracket. After goat's bladder you have to write in the bracket semi permeable membrane. Okay. Now come to your next question, third. Name the liquids 1 and 2 in the figure. Write here liquid 1 water, liquid 2 sugar solution. Okay, students. Now students, come to your inside questions. Chapters inside question. Come to page number students 4. Come to page number 4. Come to page number 4. Here essays yourself is given. Name them. So first we will start. A vascular tissue meant for transportation of water in plants. What is its answer? Xylem. 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 Second, a vascular tissue meant for the transportation of prepared food in plants. What is its answer? Phloem. 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 Next, a component of phloem that helps in conduction of food in plants. Sieve tube. Sieve. Sieve tubes. Tubes. Sieve tubes. Okay. Now come to fourth. Only living component of xylem tissue. What is that, students? Xylem parenchyma. Xylem, Parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. Okay. Now next, only dead component of phloem tissue. What is it? Phloem, Phloem. Phloem fiber. Fibre. Fiber. Okay, students, write this. Then come to, students, your page number. I will tell you your page number 12. Page number 12. Some questions are given here, students, on page number 12. Yes. Assess yourself again. Question number 1. What are root hairs? Students, this answer you will get on page number 6. Which page number? Page number 6. Come to page number 6, students. Come to page number 6. Plant absorb water and minerals collectively called sap from the soil with the help of root hairs. Up till here, students, your answer is of question what? With the help of root hairs. Wait, students, don't write this. From here you will write. Instead of these you write root hairs. Root hairs are the, okay, from here instead of these you write root hairs are the unicellular thin walled outgrowths of outermost epidermal layer of the root. Up till here. The first what I have told you was the work of that root hairs. What is the root hair? Answer is here. Okay. So now come back to your question. Come back to your question number. Next. On page number 12, students, your question is on page number 12. Yes, here we come. Define active transport in plants. This answer you will get on page number, students, 8. Page number 8 you take out. Active transport. Page number 8. Here we comes on page number 8. Active transport topic, first line. The movement of mineral molecules from a lower concentration to higher concentration by utilizing energy is called active transport. This is your answer number 2. Okay, students, this is your answer number 2 of assess yourself. Now come to your next question. What is that? What is transpiration? Students, this answer you will get on page number 10. This answer you will get on page number 10. So students, take out your page number 10, transpiration. Page number 10. Here we comes on page number 10, students. Transpiration. Transpiration topic, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth line. Sixth line, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth line. The process of loss of water in the form of water vapor through the leaves and other aerial parts of the plant is called transpiration. Okay, students. Transpiration. Up till here, this answer is answer number 3rd of page number 12. Okay, students. Now come back to your next again question. In which direction does the water move in the xylem? Then write in upward direction. In upward direction. Now from the question you have to write. Okay, first of all, here you have to write in upward direction. The water move in the xylem. Okay, students, the water move in the xylem. So, students, complete your work full in your copy and learn your question answers, your exercise, everything, and do your work in your copy in neat and clean handwriting and draw all the diagrams what I have told you. So, students, learn well and write well. Thank you.